Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring the essentials are in place. Python 3. 9 or newer and an isolated venv. Install NumPy, OpenCV, Pillow, and scikit-image so you have basic array and image tools. These provide speed and compatibility. Once done, organize your dataset into train, validation, and test folders with consistent file names. Make a small script to load and display one image. This confirms environment, package versions, and read-write paths. Now, you have a reproducible base to build on. Next, build the heart of the project. A preprocessing pipeline that resizes, normalizes, and augments images to improve generalization. Use deterministic transforms for validation. Then implement feature extraction, try OpenCV filters and ORB for classical approaches, or extract deep features from a pre-trained CNN for richer descriptors. After that, train or fine-tune a model with proper splits, checkpointing, and learning rate control. Log metrics so you can compare runs. Make sure to script reproducible training and save final weights. Finally, evaluate and deploy. Use appropriate metrics, accuracy, EOU, precision, recall, and visualize results with confusion matrices or heat maps so you understand errors. For deployment, wrap inference in a Flask or Fast API endpoint and consider converting to ONCs for faster inference, profile latency, and memory. Once live, collect failure cases and schedule retraining. If things go wrong, check data paths, ensure identical preprocessing between training and inference, and validate model input shapes. Mismatched preprocessing is the most common bug.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.